right, let's organize some stickers. I know that's kind of going around right now, but I figure why not? This is my, ooh, Demi, no, oh, okay, oh, there's a cat, okay, okay, you can down, okay, no, okay, hello, okay, and we're down, okay, crisis averted. Don't mind the cat toe. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and organize some of these. This was in just a basket that I had, and I need to organize them. So yeah, let's start here.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
All right, so we are finishing this up. I'm putting them back in order, and I am so glad that I did this. You can kind of see that I have a huge stack, and I'm kind of separating them out by theme, as in like, not theme, maybe person. And that way I can keep them together. And because I use a lot of Once More with Love stickers, so I kind of want all Once More with Love together, if that makes sense. So I am finished with this section of the, you know, to do for this, but that's a little bit of a lot of stickers, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.